If a client's cleaning style or schedule differs from our standard process, we adapt our approach to meet their needs. Start by asking the client to describe their ideal routine and priorities so we know what matters most to them. Then map those priorities onto our workflow while keeping safety and efficiency in mind. When sequence matters, we rearrange tasks logically for best results. For example, doing dusting before vacuuming and scheduling deep cleaning tasks when the client will be away to minimize disruption. Communicate changes clearly in writing and confirm any permanent adjustments so expectations are aligned and there are no surprises on arrival. Build flexibility into each visit by allocating a defined amount of time for client requests while preserving core tasks that maintain cleanliness standards. Train staff on common variations such as early morning windows, fragrance sensitivities, or preference for green products so they can switch methods without guesswork. Use simple checklists tailored to each household so technicians can follow the adjusted sequence reliably and document completed items for client reassurance. 3 frequent issues are mismatched priorities, unclear communication, and scope creep, and each has a straightforward fix. When priorities do not match, we negotiate a revised checklist that raises the client items to the top while keeping minimum service guarantees so both parties remain satisfied. If communication is unclear, we follow up immediately with a brief written summary of what was agreed and a confirmation from the client to prevent misunderstandings. For scope creep, we set boundaries by offering options for additional tasks with clear pricing and scheduling, so the regular appointment stays on track while extra requests are handled transparently. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and helps contractors find new work that matches their skills and availability. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and professionals exchange tips, ask questions, and share experiences related to adapting cleaning routines and other home projects.